The lady in our studying is the gravity photon. It is the fifth dimension, the fifth force in the universe. Everything is built up the theory first, but in my practice it's the opposite. Do the machine first. So my machine have the anti-gravity. So the gravity photon is the anti-gravity. So we use this one is make the people, the graviton and the photon in the body more active. So they kind of active, can heal the body. In our body, we need 3 different types of energy. So we call the 3 particles. One is the bioelectricity. Bioelectricity is your nerve pass a signal. Second one is the biophoton. Biophoton is your neuron in the brain or in your nerve near the energy or pass the signal to each other. The third one is that we call the biograviton. So in our body have all the different kind of graviton in our body functioning. Another dimension is a 5th dimension, and we talking the gravity is on the 4th dimension. So the different dimension. So this dimension, the anti-gravity can trigger the gravity, make it more active. We believe any disease you have, all your particle is screwed up. So they kind of like, for example, the cancer is the what? Free radical. All the free radical is the particle out of order. It's crazy. So if you put in the observation what happened, then all the particle will behave. Like I just tell the people, when in the class, because we have one teacher in the class. So when the teacher there, all the kids behave. When the teacher walk away, no observation, all the kids is in trouble. So observation is to make the particle in order to move. Our studying only use this. No trainer, no acupuncture, not shaking hand either. Because you shaking hand, they say, oh, you touch me, you pass the energy, the chi. No. You just say sitting there, we put in front of the patient, then boom. Then all the pain and comfortable, whatever, even though the people, the weight lost. So you can see how many people lost the weight in our class. So it's 98% the people, the weight shrunk. So this means it's repeatable. We do 75 people for the weight. Because why? Because we want the graviton in the body strong. Then all the density come back. But the weight not drop, but only the size. So this means it can be repeatable. So our theory is right. So they have observation effect, they have the anti-gravity and the photon. Anti-gravity and the photon, this is called the gravity photon. So, but we need the consonance to support it for the observation effect. But the lens can do the job. So why we not the lens to do the observation same like on the double slit experiment?
What's the next machine? Yeah.
I think it's not next is because the theory is more important, not the next machine. Because this theory we already use the 5th dimension theory. So the theory more important than the machine. Yeah. So we the first one use the 5th dimension theory for the healing. 5th dimension is the anti-gravity. They're already very clear. But who use the anti-gravity for healing? Nobody yet. So we are the only one use the anti-gravity for healing. But in fact, the anti-gravity and the photon, they call the gravity photon. That is what we do now. So in our video, we call the gravity photon healing.